Hello and welcome to this short video tutorial to introduce you to the functions and features of the interactive vocabulary trainer for GCSE German using the PONS app or web-based program. You can purchase a license for the interactive vocabulary training lessons only from our website. On the site, click on the Resources tab and have a look at the great value products and services we offer. Here, I'd like to give you a quick summary of what you're buying, what is on offer. It's an interactive vocabulary learning with the following key features. You get 5 learning styles. The learning styles do not require, 4 learning styles do not require any typing. There's an inbuilt German keyboard to cover the German umlauts and SZ. You can get audio files for each word. There are learning statistics, and the program remembers words you've already learned. Okay, so you have purchased the German GCSE lessons from abcLingos, have registered for free with PONS, and are now ready to go. So here's the PONS website, their learning portal. I've already logged in, I get the welcome, and you go to the top menu and select Vocabulary Trainer. This takes you to the friendly frog, and you press the blue button, Select and Practice Lesson. On the next screen, you see lots of different lessons that you can use to learn German, and under My Lessons you'll find the lessons that you've purchased from abcLingos. These are all categories of the vocabulary lists from the Edexcel or AQA syllabus, German GCSE syllabus. So I will do the whole demonstration in this video with a lesson called Adverbs. There's 142 words in that. Here you see a little preview of the words in that lesson, and I'm now going to press the Begin Training button and take you through the 5 different learning styles. So the green button, Begin Training. Okay, once you press Begin Training, you come to a page where you'll find 5 different learning styles. And they have increasing difficulty, they're color-coded, and they have a symbol. The first learning style I'm going to take you through is called Scanner. So I've selected Scanner learning style from the menu, and then I press the Go button here at the bottom. Scanner is very simple. You look at the English word and the German translation, and you aim to memorize it. In this learning mode, you can also press the loudspeaker symbol, and you get a native speaker giving you a correct pronunciation of the German word. So once you've memorized one word, you press on Next, and you get more words. And you can just continue that for as long as you want to stay in that learning mode. The next learning style is called Highlighter. It's about finding and highlighting the right translation. You select it from the tick box and press Go. In Highlighter, the correct German word is hidden in a word maze. So you've got to find the German word and translate it. If you know the word, obviously it's easier. So in this case, funny is not lustig, but it's komisch, and here it is, it's hiding in there. So you highlight that word, and then you press Submit Answer, and you get immediate feedback that it's correct, and the correct word is highlighted in green. That is how Highlighter works, and you can press on Next, and you get another word. Matchmaker is the next learning style. You select it from the menu and press Go again. In Matchmaker, you have 5 English words and 5 German words, which correspond to the English ones. So you've got to find the correct answers. So false is falsch, weak ist schwach. Dangerous ist gefährlich. Thin is dünn. And comfortable is bequem. So you start with the word you're most confident about, you know the correct answer. You match them, they appear in pairs side by side, and you press submit answer, and it's all highlighted in green telling you you matched all the 5 words correctly. The next challenge is alphabet soup. You get an English word and you get the correct answer, but the letters are jumbled up, so you've got to get them in the correct order. Okay, so let's start matching them. So annoying, there's a number of different translations for that, but what we're looking for is lächerlich. Oh, maybe it isn't. Well, we'll find out. Let's see what happens. The next word, ill, that should be krank. Easy should be nicht einfach, sondern leicht. So it helps if you got the letters there. So if you've got several ideas for the answer. Sensational in this case is klasse, as in that's sensational, that's super, that's prima. Klasse. And exciting in this case is spannend. And then we submit the answers, and now you see, well, the first one I got a bit lost there, and I thought it was annoying lächerig, but it's not lächerig, and there was a letter missing. So let's see what the correct answers are. Okay, that's okay, I made a little mistake there, so let's just I've just called up another one. So in a hurry, so in a hurry, that's going to be eilig. False is falsch. And S and H. Old is simply alt. Weak is... Oh, I got my letters wrong there. I missed out a W there. So you can correct it if you realize that the letters don't add up. So schwach. And old is ehemalig. So it's not just old, because it's old as in former, a former colleague, ein ehemaliger Kollege. Okay, you submit the answers. Oh, I made a typing mistake. So there's no mercy if you make a typing mistake. I knew what the answer was, but so it's a good way to kind of check. You need to concentrate all the time, but if you make a small mistake, it doesn't matter, and you just move on to the next exercise. Okay, and finally, Lexi test. Dark green symbol, where you need to enter the exact translation. So it gives you the word and usually an explanation or what type of word we're looking for in brackets. So that should be frei. Submit an answer. Yeah, that's correct. And go for the next one. Great. Groß. Now, if that's spelled with an SZ, then I'll go for the virtual keyboard here. Type in SZ. Try that again. Oh, maybe it's spelled with double S after all. So I just submit that answer. And it's wrong, so show the correct answer. Oh, actually the correct answer would have been toll anyway, so we didn't need that. Okay, and the next one. Variable, that could be variabel. Let's see if variabel is the correct answer. Wrong, the correct answer is unterschiedlich. All right, so this is a bit more challenging now. Sometimes it's just... let's see if this is eklig. So it's ugly or horrible, and I think it's eklig. And that's wrong as well. It's hässlich. So this is, you see, this is really demanding, even for a native speaker. You don't always get it right. And that should be Lieblings. And that's wrong. Oh, it's Lieblings and a hyphen. Okay, so quite challenging this first. Zuerst. Well, let's see if we can get some right here. That's wrong as well. Erst. Next one. Valid. Now that should be gültig, and I'll show you the interactive keyboard again, because we now need an Ü. And the Ü is here. Get the Ü in the right space. So if you don't have an Ü on your keyboard, or don't know how to get it on your keyboard, use the virtual keyboard. Gültig. Gültig. Submit the answer. Yes, and we finally got something right. So let's finish on a highlight. So yeah, it'll take some getting used to, but it can be really valuable because it asks you for the specific answer that is kind of expected. You know, in some syllabus actually there's a correct answer kind of matching words. We know that yeah, so valid is gültig. And that really takes you through all the learning styles that there are on this interactive vocabulary trainer. So just to summarize, when you purchase these lessons from abcLingos for the interactive vocabulary learner, you can use them on your laptop or desktop accessing the web. That's what I've showed you today. Or you can download a free app and do very similar lessons on your smartphone. There's a total of 5 different learning styles suitable to different learning needs. 4 of the learning styles actually do not require any typing, and they don't require that you know the one and only correct answer. There is an inbuilt German keyboard for when you need to type an answer, and you also can type in the German umlauts and the German SZ. In some of the learning styles and in the summary, the overview, you can access an audio file for every single German word and listen to a native speaker pronouncing it correctly. When you've done 10 words in a row, you get learning statistics, and if you do multiple of 10s, you get more learning statistics, keeping you up to date on your progress. And the good thing is that this vocabulary learner remembers the words you've already learned. Okay, so that's the end of the tutorial. More helpful information will be provided when you purchase a license for the interactive vocabulary training lessons from abcLingos. So what are you waiting for? Get going and improve your German. One final note, please. Please make sure you only work with legally obtained material, something that has a legally obtained license copy. You can get more information on this and other products from our website. There is a contact form on the website, so feel free to contact me to ask questions or to order your copy of the German GCSE vocabulary trainer. That's it for today. Thank you for listening. Tschüss and goodbye.